Hey folks, Darren from Ziebart Rhino Linings. I stopped in one of my locations today and I've got a gorgeous 2019 GMC Sierra. You look at this hood, it's got some water spots. This car has been outside. We're actually doing some paint restoration on this vehicle. We've started working on it. It's gonna be probably a more than one day job. He's already started working here and you can start to see that those water spots, where they're everywhere on this vehicle, he's actually going through the process of using our Rupes machine, which is a polishing system that works your paint without getting it too hot, which is a really cool piece. I'm excited to show you the end results. We'll check back in a little bit. So I'm back for part two on this pickup truck, this Sierra. This has about 60,000 miles. It's a 2019. This is the had all the hard water stains on it. Look at that hood. Yeah, all you can see is clouds. Yeah, there's even a rain cloud up there that you can see. This hood, this quarter panel, this truck has a mirror-like finish. If you need to have your vehicle brought back to life, restore that new car look and feel, stop into one of our locations or check us out at ziebart.com.